All right. So should we tell your viewers about the little game that we've been playing?
Oh,
Because
absolutely.
it's almost 2 o'clock. What time did we start? We started at 12,
We
but we
did
had an hour of technical just
adjustment.
chaos.
Yes.
So I'd say we've been doing this for 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
40
Yes, approximately
minutes.
40 minutes.
Okay, so I mean, now they're just watching a little, what, 3-minute clip or something like that. But why don't you tell them what we've been doing?
So what we've been doing, we're changing our outfits that we prepared in advance because we know what we look good at and what looks good on the camera when we wear it, because there can be a significant difference. So here I am. These are my accessories. These are my, another, okay, jacket number one, red jacket number one, red jacket number two, red jacket number three. This is white. This is the jacket I was wearing with the white sweater, and this one is navy. This is navy's. Accessories are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The earrings, and it looks like we were shooting on 5 different days, which we weren't. So things can be done pretty quickly and pretty efficiently if you know what you are doing, if you prepare for your photo shoot really well in advance, if you discuss these things with your photographer or with the person, the best friend, who will be taking pictures of you. Everything can go smoothly. You will feel fantastic. You will feel relaxed, authentic, and your pictures will be great.
That's awesome. I guess I might as well show you my little mess as well. You don't have to keep it in the video if you don't want to, but I'll just take everyone to see. It's not always neat and pretty. There you go. This was my quick wardrobe change, move around the house, make all kinds of different locations. Most of what I shot right in this room. So here is one background. Here is another background where I moved the surfboard. Here's my favorite chair, my favorite books. This is my favorite room, so that's why I like to shoot here a lot. I mean, it obviously has the window, the great light, but I shoot here partly because the light is great and partly because I feel great in this room and surrounded by my books. And when I die, I'm taking all my books with me because that's just how it is.
Sounds very familiar.
So yeah, I think
that was library in heaven or in hell.
I think it was super fun to practice what we preach. That's what we were doing.
Much. Thank you so much, Tanya. Thanks for your time, and thank you so much for sharing your expertise. I'll put all the links for our viewers to your website and wherever they can find you and your excellent work that you do with your fantastic clients. Thank you so much again.
Thank you. This was so much fun. Thank you.